Whoa! Right guys, so this is our first flip of 2021. So we completed on this yesterday. So just thought I'd bring you along just to show you, you know, the state of it and what we're going to do with it. Let's have a look inside. Hey guys, so we bought this yesterday, the first flip of 2021, and we got this direct from the vendor or direct from the seller. So it wasn't advertised, it wasn't on the estate agents, it wasn't on Rightmove, no auction, nothing, direct to the seller. We completed on it yesterday, so we're here today just to go around, just to see what needs doing. It's in a pretty bad shape, which is what we like because that's how we got it cheaper. So the fireplace, we'll take this completely out. There's no point in trying to renew it. So what we'll do is we'll take these bricks out, very 1970s, we'll take that out. And we'll just, we'll take the hearth out as well, the stone hearth there. We'll just take it all out and then we'll plaster it up and then just re-skim it, and we won't bother putting a new fire back in because it'll have central heating. So that'll all be gone. We'll just skim, we'll strip all the wallpaper off, and then we'll skim all the walls just so that they're all nice and new. We'll put flooring back in obviously, and just clear everything out in the living room. There's furniture everywhere, you know, there's stuff in here everywhere. It's pretty bad shape. We'll basically just rip it all out and we'll just take it completely back to the walls. Yeah, we'll put, it's got storage heaters in at the moment, so we're going to put new central heating system in. So we'll just rip it out basically and start from scratch. Let's show you into the kitchen. So in the kitchen, it's like kitchen's really in bad shape, but it's no problem. We just rip it out. So yeah, kitchen absolutely disgusting. So we'll take all of this out and basically take all the cladding out. We'll just rip it all back to plaster really. Same with the conservatory. Absolutely disgusting. So we'll clear all this out. We'll clean all the roof up. We'll put new glass in there. The glass is gone. Put new glass in there. Make it all nice. Get some UPVC cleaner on it so the structure's okay. Yeah. So like the banister, this is all broken. So you know we'll just repair the banister. We'll strip this down and paint it a nice white or something. So we'll renew all that. We'll obviously check the electrics, as I always say to do, check the electrics and see what state they're at. I can't tell from looking at the moment, we need to do some more investigation. So we'll check all the electrics. Okay, so moving on, it's a 2-bed property this is. And remember I always say a deal is a deal, so it doesn't matter whether it's 2-bed or 3-bed. But yeah, so it's pretty decrepit, you know, so the reason it was sold below value is because no one's going to buy it at retail. You know, no one's going to buy it to live in. So it would only be somebody that would want to buy it and, you know, spend time on it and money and flip it, so or live in it. So what we're going to do is, as I say, we're going to rip it all out. We'll bring you on the journey. At the end of it, we're then either going to sell it or we're going to re-rent it. So it might not be a flip. It just depends at the end on the numbers. So yeah, let's just continue to have a look. Smaller room, we've got damage up there, I don't know what it is, but it looks like some of the roof, maybe a leak or something, and we've got mould, there's mould in places. Let's have a look at the bathroom. Yeah, bathroom disgusting. I mean, if you look at the mould and stuff in the bathroom, absolutely horrible. So yeah, so we'll just rip it all out and we'll start again. Okay guys, so that's it really. So it's a 2-bed house that we are going to fully refurb, and then we're either going to rent it or we're going to sell it. So all it remains for me to say is don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that we can keep you updated on all these new videos that we're bringing out just for you guys. I'll see you next time.